E plays and jumps around. Ultra. T is for cat, soft and slow. Ultra. Cat says meow, hello to all. D is for duck, swimming free. Quack, quack, quack so happily. E is for egg, tiny and white. Chicken lays one with delight. A-N-C is fun to sing. Learn with animals everything. F for fish, F fish in the pond. Swim, swim, swim all day long. T goat, G goat jumps high. 1, 2, 3, touch the sky. H for hen, H hen goes clap clap, walking round, good luck. I for insect, I insect small. Crawling, crawling, don't you fall. J is for jay, flying in the trees. ABC fun, clap and sing. Learn with animals everything. K for kangaroo, kick a kangaroo, jump so high. Hopping, hopping, touch the sky. L for lion, a lion, big and strong. Roaring loudly all day long. M for lucky, M monkey, climb the tree. Swinging, laughing, full of glee. N for nest, N nest, safe and round. Birds lay eggs where love is found. O for owl, owl, hoot at night. Big round eyes shining bright. T, come and sing the ABC. Learning is fun for you and me. P for pig, piggy, piggy, play in mud. Happy face, so much fun. Q for quail, quail says quick, quick, quick. Hop around and do a trick. O-A-B-C, E-A-B-C. Learning is fun for you and me. P for pig, piggy, play in mud. Hop of the fence, so much fun. Q for quail, quail says quick, quick, quick. Hop around and do a trick. Over rabbit, rabbit eats a carrot sweet. Jumping, hopping with his feet. S for sheep, sheep says baa, jump so high. Over the fence, touch the sky. T for turtle, turtle walks so slow and neat. Step by step with tiny feet. A-B-C is fun to see. Learn with animals, sing with me. U for umbrella bird, U umbrella bird. Flying high, tweet, tweet word. V for vulture, V the vulture flies. Wings so big up in the skies. W for wolf, W wolf says howl. Running fast across the ground. X for x-ray fish, X-ray fish. Swims around, splish, splash, swish. Y for yak, yak so strong. Carries loads all day long. Z for zebra, Z zebra, black and white. Running fast, what a sight. U to Z we've learned today. Sing and smile, hooray, hooray.